Promised the rooster I'd help him count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Well, where else do you suppose I'm going to be? As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby buds all golden browny, the beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would, to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would, to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ina. Morning, Maureen. How is the mother to be? Well, she'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I would have been better off pairing with a decoy. I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad when the family arrives. Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibilities. Oh, I say, if butts were made for sitting on eggs all day, then they should have been designed with big old dimples in them. Ooh, Ida, the very thought. How much longer do you have to go? Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes, run by that satisfied stork, and she said about half a month, but 2 weeks are up. Well, the best things come to those who wait. Oh, I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same. But just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours.
getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers. Like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it? 'Cause when you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bay. Like champagne cooks, you'll see them bobbing, accompanied by mother sobbing, relieved. Thanks be to nature, nobody's safe. It's the Jew. Ooh, prepare yourself, Ida.